Momordica charantia is a tropical and subtropical vine of the family Cucurbitaceae, widely grown in Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean for its edible fruit. Its many varieties differ substantially in the shape and bitterness of the fruit. What is the side effect of bitter melon? Side effects of bitter melon include abdominal pain and diarrhea, with bitter melon juice, several times more than the recommended amounts, headache, fever, and coma, with excessive ingestion of the seeds, worsening low blood sugar, hypoglycemia. What does bitter melon taste like? Bitter melon has a crunchy husk, like a green pepper, and a watery texture, like a cucumber. But its weedy, alkaline taste is unlike any other like fruit or vegetable. Is bitter melon toxic? Bitter melon isn't poisonous. Bitter melon, a tropical fruit known by several names, including bitter gourd and wild cucumber, could be effective in controlling certain diseases. Is bitter melon good for kidney? Bitter melon can be helpful in ridding the body of kidney stones by naturally breaking them down. Bitter melon also reduces the high acid that produces painful kidney stones. Why bitter gourd should not be eaten at night? Bitter gourd works mostly on the spleen, stomach, heat toxins, and stagnation of food in the digestive system. Watermelon is slightly acidic, and if consumed at night, it may delay the process of digestion when the body is inactive. Does bitter melon help lower blood pressure? Apart from its potential antibacterial and antiviral activities, bitter melon extracts are also effective against cancer, and were found to be effective for the treatment of ulcer, malaria, pain and inflammation, psoriasis, dyslipidemia, and hypertension.